Hi guys, Tom Gerber here at MarineMax Coco. Today I want to show you a 2023 23-foot Grand Mariner by Harris, one of the top of the line boats out there. As you can see, this boat is done in the black sapphire finish with the platinum silver metallic trim. This boat has the running light package on it, the docking light package, running lights, fold-up cleats. So look at the lines on this boat as you walk down. It's really sharp looking boat. It is a saltwater edition. It says a tri-tune and it's equipped with a Mercury 300 V8. Let's jump up on board and take a look at the inside. As you can see, this is the Sun Lounger layout in this model. So this folds down and makes a complete lounger back here. One of the unique features with the Sun Lounger is you not only get the storage underneath the back seat, but on all Harris models with the Sun Lounger layout, they now include a built-in cooler. This one has the safety railing package and the ski tow bar. As we walk forward towards the helm, you'll see that this one does come equipped with the 10-foot power bimini. This makes it really nice for those locations where you have to go under a short bridge from time to time. Nice feature. This also has the raised helm. It's got dual Simrad Go 9 multifunction displays. It's got the JL audio system enhanced. As you come forward, you can see it's got the in-floor storage. Two very comfortable sofas in the bow of this boat. Guys, here at MarineMax Coco, we have every model of Crown in stock.